Thank you all. Once again, you're welcome to Ajan Farm. Today we are up here in the apiary site, trying to see how we arranged our hives. Hope you are seeing. So these are the logs we are using as the hives, and in this log here we have placed some plain sheet, and on the plain sheet we have made some holes to ensure that the bees can enter inside. These are the holes we have made. So, and from inside, I think from inside, there's another plain sheet that the other side. So at the extreme end here, we are going to cement it. We are going to cement it, then to enclose it, not okay, like for air not to enter inside. Yeah, this is the site. You know, Ajan Farm is still a new farm, which it just started this year, and everything is still, let me say, under construction. But slowly, with God, everything is possible. So these are the hives we are using. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please go and subscribe and like. May God bless you. We love you.